Oh yeah, pink baby. Got the pink accessories, and now my rack is gonna be looking super fly. All right guys, so I got the new PWC Super Rack LINQ system rack. Now this rack is so much easier than putting with the turnbuckles and making sure you have an Allen wrench and everything. You just basically put it on the LINQ system, clip it in, and you're good to go. I also got the accessories, the pink accessories. You know I had to get the pink accessories to match the ski. And it makes it look so much better. Guys, so see how easy it is? All you do is unlatch it here. And I have it on tight, a little bit tight, but just in case. And then all you do is just lift it. And you see how easy that is? I mean, super light. And then you just put it right back on. And clip them down. And it's not going anywhere. Can't see anything.